Hi, welcome to Wisdom Flow Yoga Anatomy Sessions. In this clip, Stan and I, we really want to clear something up. You know, in class we say, scoop the tailbone. Or sometimes teachers say, tuck the tailbone. Well, let's just get really clear on what the heck the tailbone is. This big triangle here is called the sacrum. And often when we hear tuck the tailbone, what we do is we shove the groins forward. We take this whole sacrum and we scoop it under. That's not at all what scoop the tailbone means. The tailbone is this little tiny triangle at the bottom of this. It's like the sacrum's mini-me, okay? It's tiny and it's way at the bottom. And it has a natural hook. I don't know if you can see Stan's here, but it has a natural hook towards the back of the pubic bone. This is Stan's pubic bone, the back of the pubic bone. The tailbone tip naturally points toward the back of the pubic bone. So in my classes, I say things like, hook the tippy tip of the tailbone toward the back of the pubic bone. And I use those words because I'm trying to get my students to stop the habit of using their gluteal muscles, your butt muscles, to shove the groins forward or shove the sacrum under when they hear the cue, tuck the tailbone. Now, in an earlier clip, we talked about the power of aligning the hip joints optimally by keeping the top of the thigh bones moving to the back plane of the body. Well, when you shove the sacrum under, you oppose that. You put them right back in the front plane and they're out of alignment. So the key to actively or more effectively using the tippy tip of the tailbone hook is to do it without losing the wisdom of top of the thigh bones back. And you know, even where you are right now, you could stand up and you could move the top of your thigh bones back. It just means stick your butt out. So you have softness in the groins. Keep that with your determination and your quadricep strength. Keep the top of the thigh bones moving to the back plane of the body, and then locate with your brain the tippy tip of your tailbone, and in a subtle but very distinct way, hook it toward the back of your pubic bone. What you should feel is a toning of the pit of your abdomen. The toning of the pit of your abdomen. Your transverse abdominal muscles, which are right in here, will push back lovingly in a very supportive way against the front of your lumbar vertebrae. And they'll also pull up a little bit. And this is you getting into your really deep core strength. So try that out. Scoop the tailbone does not mean shove the groins forward. Tuck the tailbone does not mean squeeze the butt and shove the top of the thigh bones forward. The thigh bones, the top of the thigh bones have to live in the back plane of the body, or you don't have your natural lumbar curve, nor do you have optimal alignment in the hips. Keep that, and the tippy tip of the tailbone hooks toward the back of the pubic bone. The pelvic floor tones and the energy rises. The pit of the abdomen tones and the energy rises. Really, really good awareness to take into all your asanas. You can even secretly practice it while you're in line at the bank. It's really good for you. Scoop the tippy tip of the tailbone, keep the top of the thigh bones back. Thanks for tuning in.